Worst blizzard ever? Death toll from various accidents reaches 70 in America. The system of life froze due to freezing winds and heavy snowfalls, while the death toll in various accidents reached 70. According to U.S. media, the death toll from the worst snowstorm in the United States has reached 70. 34 deaths were reported in Erie and Niagara counties of New York State. A stay-at-home order was issued in Buffalo, New York today, and parts of western New York were buried under 4 feet of snow. American media say that due to bad weather, the power supply to 122,000 homes across the United States was suspended. West New York is likely to get another 9 inches of snow today, according to U.S. media, and West New York temperatures are expected to be between -2 and -6 degrees today.
Yeah, he hit a 53-footer or a box truck.
Yeah, it looks like a box truck. Tore the side off it.
Yep. Crushed it in
The blizzard was predicted and turned out to be a once-in-a-generation event. Buffalo has not weathered such a deadly storm since at least 1950. Reed Timmer, an experienced meteorologist and storm hunter, described it as the worst blizzard I've ever covered. The storm's devastation was partly due to its fierce combination of snow, wind and cold temperatures, and the fact that conditions quickly escalated. Countless residents lack the infrastructure and amenities needed to withstand such a devastating blizzard. Meanwhile, funding for public facilities has been uneven, and weak power grids have left many without power for days.